Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the Ozymandias indicator for MT4 and MT5. This tool is designed to filter out market noise and help highlight trend direction and potential buy and sell zones on your charts. By the end of this video, you will see what it plots, how it behaves in different conditions, and which settings you can adjust. The Ozymandias indicator is a trend and entry tool for MT4 and MT5 that combines trend direction and momentum strength to mark high probability zones on the chart. It is intended to smooth out noisy price action so traders can focus on clearer directional moves rather than reacting to every minor fluctuation. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Okay, so now we have it installed and it's quite easy to interpret. On the chart, the indicator plots a line that reflects the identified trend direction relative to price. When the line is moving upward, it indicates an uptrend, and when it's moving downward, it indicates a downtrend, with line and price interaction helping to show pullbacks and potential entries. The indicator can be used to confirm whether the market environment is aligned with bullish or bearish setups according to its trend logic. As for the settings, let's take a look. Alright, the settings include inputs for adjusting the length of the moving average or smoothing used in the Ozymandias line calculation. There are also customization options such as line color and other visual preferences so the trend line can be easily distinguished on different backgrounds. As you can see, because it can be applied on multiple time frames, traders can set parameters appropriate for lower or higher time frames depending on their style, as you can see over here. Alright, as for who is for, the indicator is suitable for traders looking for a straightforward noise filtering trend tool that can help confirm the direction of the move. It can still produce lagging or false indications, especially in sideways or rapidly changing markets, and should not be treated as a guarantee of future price movements. Its effectiveness depends on how it is combined with a trader's overall strategy, risk tolerance, and additional analysis methods. You can download the Ozymandias indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description below. This has been a concise explanation from the Forex Geek showing how the Ozymandias line illustrates trend direction and helps filter market noise. If you enjoyed these indicator breakdowns, subscribe to the Forex Geek channel and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 videos.